Okay, so this is my reflective presentation for CMP 418. So my first slide is just kind of showing what application features that I was able to implement. So the first one here is a 2D frame-based animation. There's kind of two options there. There's one for repeating and non-repeating with a base animation set. So the one on the left-hand side, the base animation is set to idle, which means that no matter what kind of animation is played, it'll always kind of return to this. So you can see here when you're kind of attacking or jumping about, it'll always kind of go back to the main animation. You can also kind of increase and decrease the kind of speed at which they play it as well. So this is a 2D skeleton based animation. You've got a controllable character that kind of just goes through all the kind of Dragon Bones application animations that were there. And on the right hand side you've got a non-controllable one where you can just kind of switch the animations that play just so you can see them nice and easy. And also you can increase and decrease the speed on this one as well. So this is just a 3D generic animation. Just to kind of show the animation played, and you can kind of speed it up and slow it down as well. And you can switch between the animations. There's no kind of blending in this. This is just going to show what it looks like without anything. So there's two different types here. You've got a smooth transition and a frozen transition. The one on the right hand side also uses mid transition blending. So if you are halfway between blending between animations, it will save that position and smoothly blend to the next. So you can see in a wee second when I start to spam the keys, the one on the left hand side struggles because if it's halfway between an animation, it doesn't actually know what to do, so it'll skip about. And you can also increase and decrease the transition speed at which these kind of play at as well. So this is kind of going into the blend tree. I've got a nice little linear blend node set up. Basically, 0 is walking, and you can kind of increase it up to 1 where you're kind of using this kind of jazz pose that's going about. Another kind of blend tree node that I've done was the 2D alert blending. There's kind of 4 animations there: running, dribble, jazz, and walking. And you can use the WSD keys to kind of select where you would like it actually to blend from. And you can kind of see as I go through it, between jazz and walking, you'll kind of get a blend between them both. Same for running and walking as well. So this is the ragdoll, just to kind of show it off. I've got a nice big kind of ball crushing the player. And then after this, I kind of just go through the kind of different animations and show the ragdoll kind of activating, deactivating them all. So the final thing is different types of interpolation. There's kind of linear interpolation on the left hand side, and there's cosine interpolation on the right hand side. You can kind of start the animations and reset them just to see them kind of happening a little bit better. So that's the feature.